we will be reviewing for your chapter test today. So if you would take out your math book and get to page 245, that's where we are going to start, on page 245. And the first thing that we're going to do is do a little vocabulary check. These are your words for your teen numbers, So we need to take a look at those. The first direction says that we're going to draw a branch in the mouth of the giraffe with 20 spots. We're going to draw a branch in the mouth of the giraffe with 20 spots. So we have to find the number word that says 20. So this one is 19. This is 20. This one up here says 18, 15, 17, and 16. So our giraffe with 20 is right here, and we have to draw a branch in his mouth. Now, I am not a perfect artist. I know some of you are very artistic and do a great job drawing, but I'm just going to do my best, and I ask that you do your best too. So in his mouth, we're just going to draw a nice green branch there, and there's our branch for our giraffe that has 20 spots. All right. Our next direction says draw 15 spots on the giraffe whose spots are missing. And did you notice that that giraffe has his spots missing? So with your crayon, or your pencil, draw 15 spots. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think I'll have some going up as next. So here's 13, 14, and 15. So 15 spots on our giraffe that says 15. See that F there? 15. We talked about that sound for F, that F sound. 15. 15. All right. So now it says to draw a necktie on the giraffe with 17 spots. So I'm going to go up here and I'll grab a different color, looking for 17. Now there are 2 giraffes here that have the S underneath it. So you have to look at the whole word. This one says 16, the guy who's drinking, 16. This one says 17, and we have to give him a necktie. So here's his necktie. We'll draw. There we go. Now our giraffe that has 17 spots has a necktie. The next direction says give the giraffe with 18 spots a flower by her ear. 18 spots. Now, if you look at this word 18, it's got the word 8 in it, E-I-G-H-T. It surely does not look like it would be the word 18 if you sounded it out. But when you put the E, the I, the G, and the H together, it can also make that long A sound, A, 18. So we have to give her a flower by her ear. So up here, we're going to give her a little flower here. All right, not a beautiful flower for me. I'm sure you guys are doing a much better job. All right. So let's take a look. I think we have one more we have 2 more directions. Draw a circle around the giraffe with 16 spots. And we already said this one that's drinking has 16. That word S-I-X, 16. Did you notice how they almost all of the words on this except for 20 end in T-E-E-N, teen, 19, 18, 15, 17, and 16. So we have to draw a circle around this giraffe with 16 spots. So there we go. Okay, now we're ready for our last direction. And it says, put an X on the giraffe with 19 spots. 19 starts with the letter N. 19. Let's see, here we go. There it is, 19 spots. Please put an X on that giraffe with 19 spots. And I think we're ready to turn the page. Now we are on page 246. 246. I want you to look up here where it says number 1. And it says that we're going to touch and color 1 to 9 blue. 1 to 9 blue. So I have to go up here and grab my pen. You get your crayon out. 1 to 9 is going to be blue. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Those are blue. The next thing it's asking us to do is to touch and color 10 to 16 yellow. Well, they didn't give me a yellow, so I'll use my orange here. So 10 to 16. So we've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There, we did it. And then the very last direction says we are going to touch and color 17 to 20 red. So I'll go grab this one. You grab your red. Let's do 17 to 20 red. So 17, 18, 19, 20. One of the standards for kindergarten, one of the things that you need to learn is that you can start counting at any number and then just count up. So this gives us good practice with that. All right, let's go down to the next number 2 here, this next chart. It's got 50 numbers on it, so it goes all the way to 50. So let's see what it says. Touch and color 1 to 15 green. So we're going to go from 1 to 15. So here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We did it. Touch and color 1 to 15 green. Then it says we're going to touch and color 16 to 32, 16 to 32 orange. So good, I have that color. So now here's where we get to practice, starting to count on from any number. We're starting with 16. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. We did it. All right. And the last direction on this, the 50 chart here, we need to grab a blue because we're going to start at 33 and we're going to go all the way and finish up with 50 blue. So starting at 33, that's 2 3s right there. My favorite kind of number, a double. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. We did it. We did it. All right. The next part, it's pretty easy, I think, because it's just asking you to count by tens and to write in the missing number. So here we have a group of cubes. We've got 10, and then there's 10 more. So we'll write 10. That's right. 20 would be 10, 20, 30, then, 40. So we need to write the number 40. 40. There we go. All right, I think we're ready to turn the page. You should be on page 247. 247. And it says that we are going to color, let me go grab my pen here. We're going to color 10 circles purple. 10 circles purple. So you can pick which 10 you want to do. I'm going to try to group mine together as best I can. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's, I guess, one of our strategies when we touch and check or touch and count. That's what you need to do when you have your crayon. You need to be saying one number for every one circle that you color in. And then it said to color 10 more circles green. So I got to go grab my green here and make it a little thicker. So then we're going to do 10 green circles. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we did 10 purple and we did 10 green, and now all of the circles are colored in. So we did half the circles in purple and half the circles in green. So if you have 10 purple circles and 10 green circles, how many circles do you have all together? Oh, yep. And I know some of you are saying it's got to be 20, right? 10 and 10 is 20. Let's go ahead and count our circles just to make sure before we write that number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's right. 20 all together. 10 purple, 10 green, is 20 all together. Nice job. All right, we are on our last page. So go ahead and turn that page to 248. 248. Now, this direction, we're looking at number 7 here. Looking at number 7. Grab my pen. It says we are going to count the objects and say how many. So let's go ahead and count these footballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. Now we're supposed to draw more to get to 17. So we have to count on. So we already have 5. So when we make our next one, we'll say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's our full 10 frame. We got to get to 17. So 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. We made it. We have 17 now. And those aren't the best footballs you've ever seen, but you get the picture. When you have 10 and 7 extra ones, that is the number 17. 17. Okay. So now we're going to go down and we're going to take a look at the baseballs. We're going to do the same thing to start out with. We're going to count and say how many. So some of you probably can look at that 10 frame and you can say how many without even counting because you know what this 10 frame looks like. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Were you saying 7? Okay, good. Now we said how many, there's 7, and now we're supposed to draw more to make 20. So to make 20. So we're starting at 7, and then we're counting on. So 7, now we have 8, 9, 10, full 10 frame, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we had to have those 2 full 10 frames to make 20. We started with 7. How many more did we draw to get to 20? How many did you draw? So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we started with 7 and we had to draw 13 more to get to the number 20. Okay, well, I think you've been doing a great job with team numbers and you're probably all ready for your test tomorrow.